If you're looking to hide your Instagram app on your iPhone, but you don't really know how, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's actually very simple, and it's something that you'll probably never forget how to do. So go ahead and find your Instagram app. We're going to click and hold, and you're going to get a bunch of different options here. But what we want to focus on is where it says require Face ID. So go ahead and click that. So you're going to get two options here. You want to focus on hide and require Face ID. So we're going to go ahead and click that. It's going to require my Face ID. And from this point, Instagram will no longer be visible on your iPhone, except in a few places. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click hide app. And as you see, the app disappears. So on face value, I don't have Instagram. Nobody would think I have Instagram. But what we can do is go ahead and find it just in case you want to put it back on your phone. So you want to swipe all the way over to the left to your app library. So as you see here, if you scroll all the way down, you'll have a hidden section, and that's where the Instagram app went. So as soon as you click that, it's going to require you to use your Face ID. So as you see, my Face ID was required, and Instagram is sitting there waiting for me to take it out. So what we can do is go ahead and click and hold, and it's going to say add to home screen. Go ahead and add it to home screen, and it's going to ask you to unhide the app. We're going to hit unhide app, and that's it. It just jumps back onto your phone. You may have to go back and move it to this place where you want it on your page, but that's it. It's super simple and super easy.